Hello guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing something different and something I've been wanting to do for a very long time. The thing we are doing today is actually the thing I wanted to do when I started this channel, but it takes in so much time that I got sidetracked a little bit. But today is the day we are finally embroidering something on this channel. I thought long and hard about what I wanted to do, but I wanted to start a realistic project in terms of time, something that I can finish. And my channel in itself has been in need for an update for a while now. So today we will be embroidering a YouTube banner. So yesterday I already made this little sketch. We will keep it very simple. And for the rest, all we need is a pair of scissors, an embroidery hoop, and I'm thinking of going with these 4 colors. So beige, cream, really, it's more cream than it's white. This one, green and gold. I want to give it a bit of a naturalistic vibe and look. And of course, our most important thing is a bit of fabric. So I looked to my haberdashery as if it were, and I found this old piece of fabric. It is, I think it's linen, I don't remember what it is. It has a bit of a pattern on it, which I hate, but we will cut out a piece without a pattern. So yeah, that's everything. I will just cut out a piece of the fabric, and even though this is a very small project for me, it will be a couple of days or maybe even weeks. Depending on how much I can work on this. But you know what? I'm very excited and let's go. Alright, so I transferred the letters because I'm not good in freestyling letters. So yeah. Alright, so it has been a long time coming, but I'm done with the letters. As you can see, the name is all here. And about time too, because now we can start at the flowers, and I was getting a little bit bored because every letter is the same. And at some point it's just getting a bit repetitive, you know? So now on to something new. All right, so here's a little update. I finished the letters, but now we still have to do the decorations, which will be some flowers and 2 butterflies, like on this sketch. For the flowers, I want to do daisies, and I just want to do daisies because I want to keep it really simple, and I think daisies are a real underestimated flower, you know? It's a very common, innocent and simple flower, but if you look closer it's really complex, which I find quite fitting. I like a lot of flowers, but I really like daisies because they are everywhere and no one pays attention to them, but if you look very close they can really take your breath away. So that's why I'm going with those. And then for the two butterflies, it's actually, I wanted to go with cinnabar moth because that's the name under which I embroidered. But due to the color palette, it will be just a bit of a fantasized species, but it will be good. So let's continue. I'm guessing these little things will take me quite some time also, but I'm really having fun. Embroidery is quite magical to do, really, if you have the patience for it, of course. I think some people might get nervous while doing this, but for me it really clears my mind. So let's have a little fun. I'm back. For the final time, I am back, and I cannot believe I am saying this, but I actually finished this project, which is so cool. Now, right now, it is just a very, very big piece of cloth with an embroidery on it, but maybe I will turn it into a pillow or something, or add some ornaments to the side. But I will let you decide on that. Would you like to see me finish this further into like a pillow, or frame it, or for the banner itself I wanted to keep it really, really simple, but once we photograph this properly and add it to our banner, we can do anything we want with it. So you guys let me know, you want to see me do more stuff with this, or I can start another project because I have a lot of ideas. But first, let me show you the finished and final product. So this is it. This might look a bit weird now with the lights behind it and on it, but I'll film it closer. I'll film it from where I'm looking. So this is it. This is the finished product. We have the beautiful simple letters, some daisies, a moth. I love the leaves around the letters too. I think it's very simple and classy. I'm quite happy with the result. So yeah, this will be my banner for the time to come. This was a really fun project. This is a stitch I never used before. It has a name. If you want to know, let me know. I'll get back to you on that. I don't really know all that much about stitches. Embroidery for me started out as just a different medium to make art, and it turned into something I really love doing, but I don't do very often, and I do not finish a lot of projects because it is very time consuming, but time consuming is part of the charm, really, for me. And as for some of the details, I added gold inside of the flowers and some gold into the wings of the moths. These are actually 3 colors to add a bit of contrast. You can see the pen marks a little bit, but I'll wash those out also. And as for the rest, I did the letters quite proper, but not too proper, because I still wanted people to notice it is hand stitched. I didn't want to have some kind of machine finished effect for it. That's why the butterflies also, I wanted the wings a bit woolly and a bit messy. And that is about it, really. I'm very happy with this result. I please urge you to let me know if you like this sort of videos, because I really would love to do a lot more of this in the future. Also, if you liked it, please leave a like below. It helps me out so much, and I really need some help, you guys. I really enjoyed making this banner. I really enjoyed embroidering something. It had been a while, really. I thank you so much for watching this video, and I hopefully will see you in the next one. Goodbye and have a lovely day.